got two 18-inch SP3 Russian Prides. Yeah, they're 130 pounds a piece.
Yeah. Wow. Definitely tearing up your vehicle, man.
I know. Terrible.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. You're definitely tearing up your vehicle, man.
I know, dude. Terrible.
Hey, but you got some music. So, what's your name and what's in here, man? Like, I don't know. Go ahead.
Alright, the name's Thomas Mangum. I've got two 18-inch SP3 Russian Prides on a MD12K tar amps. Two 6.5-inch Ruby Prides. 6.5, and I've got one DS 18-8-inch on a tar amp 2000 watt 410.
Okay. And this is like a fourth order box?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You opened up, I think, a little bit your boxes.
Yes, I did.
Did it make it a little louder at all?
It did. So it ain't nothing like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it opened up and loudness pretty good. So.
Those are some big subs.
Yeah, they're 130 pounds a piece.
How did you get them in there yourself?
Yeah, my front plate's quad baffled, so I got 4 sheets of 3/4.
Oh, okay.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're 130 pounds a piece.
Yeah.
Big.
Wow.
But,
Is there a way I can see the amp?
oh yeah, I can say amp bay open.
Awesome.
Nice.
And this is wired to 1 ohm?
Half ohm.
Half ohm. Oh, it's a half ohm amp. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Luckily, my Pride's wired up correctly.
Yeah.
Sweet.
It bounces out of my door, so.
Uh-oh. Can I see under the hood? I always try to. Oh. What size alternator?
250 amps.
Okay.
Sir.
All right. Is it better with this door open or closed?
Oh, it's windier with it open.
You want me to open it then?
Whatever you want to do.
All right, let's do it open. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the walker we just got of Thomas's system. Looking forward to showing y'all how these beast of a Pride subwoofers are. These are the SV3 series from Pride Audio. Did a really good job. If you haven't already, go ahead and comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. Be sure to give him a like. He did a really great job. So it's not the prettiest looking system by no means, but he got the job done. He turned this walled build. It used to be just the flat wall C-pillar, and he turned it into a B-pillar 4th order bandpass enclosure. That's how you can see the flat wall where the fur was, is where his previous walled system was. So really good job. He did all the work himself, it looks like, and he's running these subwoofers on a 12,000 watt amplifier at half ohm. So 2 dual 2s down to half ohm. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. He's going to play 2 songs for us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more daily cardio videos by subscribing, and enjoy the demo.
My bad.
lost a little lows, but
right. Well, I don't. So that was 29 hertz and up.
yeah.
The first song I played was 21 hertz and up.
Ooh, 21. Wow. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.